One always needs somebody like a Praveen who can literally pull you out of the bed.
Hey guys, a warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we are doing a egg salad wrap. It's a super easy recipe, cooks in less than 5 minutes. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. Hey guys, today we are doing a mango turmeric smoothie. Super easy, only 3 ingredients. Almond milk, unsweetened, 1 whole mango, and here I have my turmeric latte powder. You can also use the normal turmeric. So here I have a blender. To that I'm going to add my almond milk unsweetened, that is approximately 1 cup. Next I'm going to add is my turmeric latte powder. To that I'm going to add my mangoes. And lastly, some ice. And here goes our mango turmeric smoothie. Our low-calorie mango turmeric smoothie is ready. It's a perfect recipe for a breakfast or an evening snack. Secondly, it contains almond milk, which is lactose-free. It also contains really good amount of calcium. Third, turmeric helps you to reduce inflammation. That means it makes up to an excellent drink. Thank you so much for watching our video. Request you to please hit that bell icon so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do videos on training, nutrition, amazing awesome recipes. We have also started with online challenges. So please go on to www.bodyprocoach.com.